At Atlanta Garage Doors, we can do garage door repairs, residential garage doors, commercial garage doors, with a variety of styles, variety of colors, with glass or insulation, single or double doors, custom designs, standard designs with upgrades, the choice is yours. Don't limit yourself. We are here for you, Atlanta Garage Doors.